Hello everyone, today we're going to do a kick on a Caesar salad. We're going to have 2 egg yolks, 1 clove of garlic, 1 tablespoon honey Dijon mustard, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, and some pecorino romano freshly grated, and I have my romaine halves cleaned and on parchment paper. So preset your oven to 500. Okay, I added all my ingredients into the blender, the olive oil, the egg. And this is going to be your dressing. Okay, then we're going to use our brush it on here. Okay. Oh my God, I just licked my fingers. It is amazing. So baste your leaves, and then we're going to broil this at 500 for a few minutes. It's going to get crispy on top, and it's going to be delicious. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Oh, I got some extra dressing. I will make this tomorrow for sure. All right, let's see how this comes out. Good Lord, looks good. Okay. Now, before you place these in the oven, I put black pepper and a nice big bunch of pecorino romano. Okay, and I'm going to put this in the oven. And there you have it, a roasted Caesar salad. Himalayan pink salt, little black pepper, ready to go.